Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, plans to operate SU30 MK1 Fleet until mid-2050. The IAF is planning for the long haul with its SU30 MK1 fighter jets. A proposed integration and upgradation program aims to keep these powerful aircraft operational until the mid-2050. This ambitious plan hinges on a significant boost to domestic involvement in the Su-30 MK1 program. Next, AD to ramp up indigenous content in Drishti 6 UAV. Adani Defence, having secured a major order for its larger Drishti 10 male UAV from the Indian Navy, Adani Defence is now setting its sight on increasing domestic participation in its Drishti 6 tactical UAV program. The Drishti 6 is a medium-sized multi-payload UAV based on the Albit Systems Hermes 450. Adani Defence has been part of the Hermes 450's global supply chain since 2016, bringing valuable experience to the table. Next, work on HEAUV to UV to boost underwater intelligence and defense. The Ministry of Defense has revealed details about a groundbreaking underwater vehicle, the High Endurance Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, that is HEAUV. This mini submarine boasts impressive capabilities, making it a valuable asset for India's maritime security and search endeavor. The HEAUV's key strengths lie in its long endurance, autonomous operation and diverse mission capabilities. This underwater drone can operate for extended periods without human intervention, ideal for long-range missions. Next, IA trains soldiers on new AK-203 rifle. Soldiers from the Indian Army's Central Command are undergoing training at the Grenadiers Regimental Center in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, to operate the recently introduced AK-203 rifle. This rifle, a product of Indo-Russian collaboration, is being manufactured in India, Pence_Spark. The AK-203 boasts several advantages over the previously used AK-47 and INSAS rifles. It is lighter, weighing only 3.8 kilograms and offers superior firepower. Next, dialogue needed to resolve friction between India and Pakistan. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman said dialogue was needed to resolve heightened friction between arch rivals Pakistan and India during a meeting in Riyadh with visiting Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Sharif was making his first overseas visit since winning power in elections in February. He met with bin Salman on Sunday. The two sides stressed the importance of dialogue between Pakistan and India to resolve the outstanding issues between the two countries, especially the Jammu and Kashmir dispute, to ensure peace and stability in the region. A joint statement released by Pakistani's Foreign Office and the Saudi government said. Thank you.